Clean WRX. Clean. Hell yeah. Supreme.
Let's go.
Highlight of the meet. Burnout's so good, Donald Trump came to fucking watch. That was all clutch. That was all clutch. That sounds cool.
Oh my.
No, it's the truck. It's the truck. It's the Titan. The Nissan Titan. It's the Nissan Titan. Yeah, it is. There's a lot going on here. Austin! Oh my God! Why is that thing so brutal? Is he gonna launch it? She? Oh, it's a she. Launch it! Okay. Ooh, hello. What do we got here? Okay. Oh, I'm backing up. I'm backing up. Okay. Okay.
Not getting hit by that dude.
There's a lot of traffic built up now.
I got some rubber in my ass.
Yeah, me too.
Just keep in mind, this spot was clean before tonight.
Yeah,
Oh shit! I like to see the variety. Whoa! Oh, here we go. Back up. Next. Next back.
No, I'm good. I ain't covering shit. Nick, cover your ear.
My God.
It's not gonna do shit. We've been watching him go back and forth the entire time.
Yeah, I know, but it sounds good.
Oh, it sounds good. It looks fun.
Sounds fucking
I want him to
fantastic.
do something.
At least the launch. He's all-wheel drive.
Yeah. So I bet if he fully fucking launched that thing, he'd spin the whole tire.
Oh yeah. A little skirt. Little skirt. A little skirt would be cool. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Do something.
Little do you know that is an exhaust.
Gotta make that bitch louder.
What's he doing? Oh, he's parking. There ain't shit going on now. Nick coming down the hill. That distant sound.
Come on!
Sorry, boys, you're a little late. You're just a little late.
Do a burnout.
Burnout! Watch this BMW wait until he's out of sight.
Yeah, he's gonna be fucking gone, dude.
This is the one that swung it, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
He was the fucking first one to do it.
Literally right as I started recording. It's David driving. We'll flash back when he's back. Park it like it never happened.
Hey, you better roll your windows up. It's about to rain. Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna swing it. Nice BMW. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, he got caught. Is he gonna run? They let him go. I think they let him go. We got 4 cops. They're really running for it. Everybody's running now. Everybody's running now. Look at him. Look at him. Again, you're a little late there, bud. Oh, we gotta go. Violations. Alrighty, boys. You win it this time. But we still win, baby. Look at this fucking intersection. We're getting kicked out. Everybody's out of here. Everybody's out of here. Yo, Seth, tell Trey I said be careful. Coco, tell Nick I said be careful. Everybody's out of here.
Fucking Peggy showed up.